Another great day for a drive, and this is a 2016 Toyota Tacoma SR5. It has a black exterior, gray cloth interior, seating for four doors and about a 5-foot box. It has a 2.7 liter 4-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It also has Bluetooth, satellite radio, and a rear sliding window. It's really easy to take this vehicle out on a test drive. You can book that online at islandford.ca, and stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood. This is a 2.7 liter 4-cylinder engine. It's paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and adjustable mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted with manual lumbar. You've got these nice embroidered mats on the floor, and your steering wheel can tilt. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your volume control and your media, hands-free dialing, that's the controls for the dash, and you also have cruise control. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and the menu that you can toggle through. In the center, you have your display screen we can touch on there, and when we put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to see your backup camera view. There we go. And your media choices of AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. And then you can press the button to go home and gives you the main screen there. And down below is your hazard lights. There's your 4x4, your fan, heated side view mirrors, your AC and max AC, and then just the direction that you want the air to travel within the cabin. And then you have your auxiliary line in and USB, as well as a 12 volt. There's a bin down there to put items, plus your cup holders, emergency parking brakes right beside the driver, and your automatic shifter. You've got a cup holder and bin, and you can open up your armrest. There's lots of room in there. Off to the side is a locking glove compartment, manually dimming rear view mirror, sunglass holder. You also have your traction control located there, lighting controls, and you have a grab handle in the body, and that just makes it easier to get in. 16-inch wheels, mud flaps, chrome and black running board, black door handle and side view mirror, driver's side fuel cap. The black handle extends to the tailgate, and just beside the handle is where your backup camera is located. You also have a trailer hitch, and when you want to open it up, just put your hand in the latch. It's a nice hard cover in the box, and you also have tie downs in all 4 corners. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door. You have seating for 2 in the back, and these seats flip up very easily. Just pull the lever and then lift the seat up, and you've got this nice little bin underneath. You just unlock them, and then you've got your jack in that one, and the other one is empty, and we just turn that, pull the lever again, the seat will come right down, and you've also got anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. There are carpeted mats on the floor and slim pockets on the back of the front seat. You have a couple of cup holders, and I really like this. You've got a bin in the center and a place to put your seat belts. It's kind of convenient. Up above, you've got your dome lighting, hooks, and you've got a sliding rear window. Chrome bumper, 5-foot box, mud flaps, privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We love to hear from you, and of course, we love to share the videos we've taken.